Hello everyone, welcome to Siddhi Academics. I'm Amrita. I firmly believe that we should keep trying until we get it right. So let's start our trial for today. But before that, I just want to mention that today we will complete exercise 10b. Then we will do unitary method, which is also a part of ratio and proportion. We'll learn the unitary method first properly and then we'll do the exercise. After completing the whole chapter, we will move to Olympiad level questions for number system, algebra and ratio and proportion. But if you want to watch all those, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel Siddhi Academics. So let's start.
So we'll start with exercise 10b. We'll complete it today. All the previous videos of exercise 10b I'll attach in the description of this particular video. You can go through them. And also I will attach the entire playlist of ratio and proportion somewhere on the top. Okay, you can see it there also. So let's start. Here the question number 8 we'll start with. It says that show the following numbers are in proportion. So what are the numbers? Number 1 I have taken 48, 60, 75. Now what is continued proportion? Continued proportion means the number in the middle is the same. Normally in a normal proportion we see 4 digits, but here there are 3 digits, right? Here in this particular place 3 digits means the middle digit is there in this ratio, also in this ratio. Both the ratios we will get that the means of this particular proportion is 60. That is why 3 numbers have been given. So let's verify. What the question is asking us to verify is this particular proportion here. Okay, so let's do this. So here again we will do 60 multiplied by 60, product of means. 60 multiplied by 60, what it will give us? 6 into 6 is 36. So 36 and then 2 zeros at the end we will attach. This is the product of means. Similarly, product of extremes, 48 into 75. 48 into 75 you can do like this. 75 multiplied by 48. 8 5s are 40, 8 7s are 56, 4 had got carried over. So add it here, it becomes 600. 0 I will put for this tens digit place. 4 5s are 20, 4 7 28. Now plus 2, that carried over 2. So it becomes 3600 when you add it up, right? One more way to do this is rearrange these numbers. You know, we know this, that 48 is 4 into 12, right? And 75 is what? 3 multiplied with 25. 25 into 3 is 75. So 25 also I can write as 5 into 5. I have just broken down 48 to this and 75 to this. Now what I will do, I will take this 2. 12 into 5. How much it is? 60. Now 4 multiplied by 3. How much it is? 12. 12 multiplies by 5. How much it is? 60. You can use any method. Again it is 3600, right? Either you calculate it this way, normal method, or you rearrange the numbers, up to you. What we got, product of means is equal to product of extremes. So obviously we can write that product of extremes, since product of extremes is equal to product of means, therefore these numbers are in proportion. Let's move to the next question. What is the next question here? Again the same thing, show that the following numbers are in continued proportion. The middle number is 90, so 90 is the means in this particular proportion, right? So we will find the product of means here. Product of means will be 90 multiplied by 90. Let's do that. 9 9s are 81 and then it will get followed by 2 zeros. 9 9s are 81 followed by 2 zeros. This is 8100. Now let's do the same thing for extremes. Product of extremes we need to find out. Here what are the extremes? What are the numbers here? 36 multiplied by 225. You can rearrange or you can do simple multiplication like this. 225 multiplied by 36. 6 5s are 30. 3 got carried over, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 1 got carried over, 6 2s are 12, 13. Now I put a 0 here in the ones place, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 1 had got carried over, so 6 plus 1 is 7, then 3 2s are 6. Now let's add all this up, 5 plus 5 is, this 0 I'll write, 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 got carried over, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 7 is 11, again 1 got carried over, 6 plus 2 is 8. So again we got product of means is equal to product of extremes, both are equal. You can write a statement saying since product of means equal to product of extremes, these numbers are in continued proportion or in proportion, one thing, say one and the same thing. Okay, you can write like this. So let's move to the next question. I have left the question number 3 of bit 3 question of question number 8. If you have any doubt, please let me know. I will solve that as well. So here the question is saying if 9 is to x is to 49 and a proportion, find the value of x. So the proportion is 9 is to x is as x is to 49. Now in such a case, again we can say this is a continued proportion because x variable has been used for the means, right? And these are the extremes. So product of means equal to product of extremes. I'll write the statement down. Product of means equal to product of extremes. So what is the product of means here? X into x. X into x is how much? If you're not clear with algebra, then solving questions from any other chapter henceforward will be difficult. So you can watch the entire playlist of algebra from R.S. Aggarwal I have completed. You can watch from my channel Siddhi Academics if you have any doubts. So x into x, right? X into x I can write as x square. X multiplied by x. What it will become? X power will get added up. 1 plus 1. So it becomes x square, right? This is the product of means. Now similarly we need to do product of extremes. 49 into 9. These are the extreme numbers. Now if this side is x square, 49, can you tell me which number gets multiplied to itself to get 49? 7. 7 multiplied with 7 gives 49. Similarly 3 multiplied with 3 gives us 9. So x square is how much actually? 7 square multiplied by 3 square. Okay, can I not write it like this also? 7 into 3 whole of square, because 7 is squared, 3 is squared. So if I write inside the bracket 7 into 3 and put the square outside, because this is common. This is common to both 7 and 3. So I can put a bracket and write the square outside because both 7 share and 3 share the same power 2. So I can write like this. It is 1. This step is same as this step. So now if x squared is 7 into 3, then what it will be? What will x be? X is definitely 7 into 3. I hope I am clear. If not, then please let me know. Therefore, x is equal to 21. Okay, so the continued proportion that the question is looking for here is 9 is to 21 is as 21 is to 49. Okay, this is the continued proportion. If you have any doubts how is came from here to here, I'll just explain again. 7 into 7 is 49. 3 into 3 is 9. This step is easily understandable. Then 7 into 7 I can write like 7 squared. 3 into 3 I can write like 3 squared. Now both 7 and 3 share the same power 2. So I write 7 inside the bracket, multiply it with 3 and then put the common power outside the bracket. I put a bracket and put the square on top of it because this is the common power. So x will become, x squared is 7 to 3 squared. So x will be equal to 7 to 3. So x becomes equal to 7 3s are 21. Okay. So this is how we will solve questions like these, of this type. We just have to be clear with power. Okay. Now let's move to question number 10. Question number 10 says an electric pole casts a shadow of length 20 meters. So this is the electrical pole. It is casting a shadow of how much length? 20 meter. A tree of 6 meter. Okay, this entire length is 6 meter, is casting a shadow of length 8 meter. Okay, so shadow will be of 8 meter. So question is find the height of the pole. So similarly we need to just write the proportion here. Make a proportion and then find the value. Let the height of pole be how much? Let it be x. X variable, you can use any variable of your choice, be x meter. Okay, this is the unit of measurement, meter. Now I can arrange like this. This is x. Now we just took the variable x. So this to this is x, the length of the pole. So I can write like this. X is to 6. 6 is what? Height of the tree is equal to 20. 20 is the height of the, not height but length of the shadow, 20 meter. Whose length? Length of the shadow of the pole is as length of the shadow of the tree. How much it is? 8, right? So now again same thing we will do. We will multiply the extremes and multiply the means and make an equation, equate both of them. So 8 multiplied with x and 6 multiplied with 20. Just don't solve 6 multiplied by 20. We'll remove the common factors. 8 multiplied by x is 8x. 8x is 6 multiplied by 20. Now if I have to find the value of x, I will put the 20 here. 8 here, not 20. 8 on the denominator because 8 is multiplied this side. If comes to the other side, it will become division. So 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Okay, here I have written. I have cancelled out the 6, written the 3 here. So therefore, what will be the value of x now? X value will be 3 multiplied by 5, which is 15 meter. This is the original length of the, not original but actual height of the pole, 16 meter. 15 meter. So this is the answer for question number 10. So exercise 10b has another question 11, which I am not going to attempt. It's very simple proportion. Again, something like this. You can find the value of the variable quite easily from that proportion. Just equate the product of means to the product of extremes and be accurate with your calculation. You will get the exact answer. So the height of the pole in this question number 10 is 15 meter. With this, we will end the exercise 10b and we will move to unitary method in our next video.